All right, if you've got a Harbor Freight retractable extension cord and it doesn't stay out anymore, what you could do is give it a shake. And if you hear it rattle, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. All right, please see the link below where you can order one of these parts to fix your extension cord. First, take the screw off the back. Then take the screw off the front. And for this, you're gonna wanna make sure that your retractable part is all the way in. That takes the tension off of the spring inside and makes it much easier. Take off of the bracket and do your best to get this apart. What I like to do is put my finger inside and press on the metal and it will pop open. Now what you're gonna notice is inside you've got a piece of broken gear right here. This is the part that broke, and this is the part that we're gonna replace it with. So it's pretty simple. You just put it on and put it back together. When I put this back together, I really just line up the edge with the rubber molding. Once that's together, you're gonna notice that this is not aligned. So just reach inside and move it until it pops out a little bit. Then you can put your bracket back on. All right, when you put this back together, there's two different screws. One is longer than the other. The short screw goes where the metal axle makes contact with the outer bracket. So make sure the short screw goes in that side. And on the back where the cable comes out, the long screw goes in this side. Now, when you pull it out, you should hear it click and it should stay. Pull it out farther till it stops clicking and it'll go back in. All fixed.